When it comes to choosing between 3Commas and Pionex for crypto trading bots, both bring unique strengths to the table. 3Commas is a professional-grade platform that integrates with multiple major exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. It gives you access to advanced tools such as grid bots, DCA bots, option strategies, trailing features, and even copy trading from successful traders. Its flexibility and customization make it powerful for experienced users, though the subscription fees can add up for beginners. Pionex, on the other hand, is an exchange that comes with over 16 free built-in bots, including grid trading, arbitrage, rebalancing, and dollar-cost averaging bots. Since the bots are native to the platform, there are no extra fees, and setup is simple, making it perfect for newcomers or those who want a plug-and-play experience. The trade-off is that you're limited to trading only within Pionex, and you won't get the same advanced customization as 3Commas. So if you value flexibility, pro-level tools, and the ability to connect multiple exchanges, 3Commas is the better choice. But if you want simplicity, no added costs, and ready-to-use bots built into one platform, Pionex is hard to beat. Which one would you go with for your crypto trading? 3Commas or Pionex? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more crypto breakdowns.